hello. Have a great day to everyone, to all food lovers out there. And thank you so much for clicking my channel, Anfoods89. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how I make this Tinolang Isda. It's a Filipino dish that made with fish. So you can also use chicken, either chicken or fish. But today, I'm starving with fish. This is called Tinolang Isda. Tinolang Isda is a Filipino dish that made with tomato, fish, etc. So, this is what I got for the fish. This is the fish that I like to use. I love this kind of fish. This is my favorite fish. So, I prefer to use a fish. So, I'm gonna show you how I make this. The broth of this fish is so good, and I'm starting on it because of the it's flavorful. So, I'm gonna show you how I make it, and hopefully you can do it next time. So, let's get started. First thing that we have to do is let's boil the water first. And I'm using a filtered water. So this is the fish. Of course, we have to clean it so properly. Clean it well. Cut the fins. Be sure to remove all the fins of this. This is how the way I clean a fish. Just to make sure that the fish is cleaned properly. And yeah, this one is already cleaned. They clean up in the market, but you know, we have to make sure that before we eat a food, before we intake a food, let's clean it properly. So I think that's good. So this is salt. I don't need to salt this one. Be careful, this lemongrass is this one is sharp. The edge of the leaf of this lemongrass is so sharp. But this one I don't need to salt because this is my own plant. I grow this one, so I just wash it like this. Wash it in running water. And I just fold it like this. Yeah. The ginger. This is big enough, so I only use the half. You know, don't skip this one in your recipe because this one is so... So the onion, you only just have to cut it in a big size, like this. So, see, like that. So here's the ginger. This is too much, so I only use... I think this is good. And I like to smash the ginger, right? So that, you know, the ginger extract... Spices, the ginger, onion bulb, the lemongrass, 2 pieces of chili, the salt, a little bit because later on I'm gonna add fish sauce on it. The spices, fish, just cut it in because this is only me, so just cut it. Ayan, 10 minutes is over, so I have to just cut it, the tomato in one fish because I like the flow, this lady finger. Just only remove this one. Finger in 2 pieces, just like this. The vegetable that I have to drop first is the tomato. I think I used the small pot, so I have to transfer the pot. I have to transfer it in a bigger package. Transfer it here. See that? I can smell the aroma. So good. It smells so good. Okay, so next, fish. Ta-da! Drop the fish. Yay. I love the fish. Yeah, it's good. And put the lid on. Okay. So the lemongrass, I have to take it off. Take it out. Take out the lemongrass because the flavor of this is already in the soup. Right? So it's time to add the lady finger. This one is just cook for a few minutes. I don't want to overcook it because I like the crunchy. I like that the vegetable is still crunchy. So time for me to add this fish sauce. This is a fish sauce, right? So yeah. So after that, because I don't want that my vegetable is so overcooked, now I have time to add, ta-da! This, the name of this vegetable is sweet potato tops, or the leaf, the leaf of the sweet potato. This one is super vegetable rather than the kangkong or the water spinach. I prefer to eat this one because this is a super veggie. Right? So, just like that. And it's done. I don't want my vegetable is overcooked, so this is done. It's just like that. So, time to switch it off this one. Yay.